Hey there, John.Hunter with Guaranteed Rate. Today I'm going to answer the question on what is the minimum credit score to get a VA loan in 2023. So a lot of people think VA loan is a VA loan and it's uniform. It's the same for everyone because it's a VA loan. Well, unfortunately, that's not the case. VA doesn't lend money, they just insure loans. So the lender lends the money and the VA insures it, usually after the fact. So the lenders are on the hook. And so because of that, they set their own guidelines. It's what they call overlays. And the overlays can vary widely. We can see credit scores minimums with some companies that are 660, and there's other companies that are 620, which is probably pretty common. Some will go down to 600. Well, a guaranteed rate will actually go all the way down to 550 these days. So that adds a ton of flexibility. And you add to that VA is super flexible when it comes to major derogatory events, similar like uh, foreclosures, bankruptcies, short sales, that type of thing. See, the interesting thing, especially with foreclosures, is conventional Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, they all go off of the foreclosure date. So like when the home actually foreclosed, where VA will go off of when the default occurred, which honestly can be, and I've seen it be years apart, where somebody will fall behind, the notice of default goes out, the foreclosure takes a long time to process, especially if the bank's slow, and then the foreclosure occurs. Well, Fannie Mae doesn't start that start their 7-year waiting period until the foreclosure actually records, where VA will let you go all the way back to the original default date, which, like I said, can be years. So VA adds a ton of flexibility. Not only are they just super low, lower credit score minimum than any other loan product, FHA comes close at 560 these days, but VA is just by far the most flexible. So if you're a veteran, or if you know a veteran who, is a real person and has had some credit issues in the past, but is ready to buy a house and is just worried that maybe their credit scores are too low, it doesn't hurt to check. There's so much that we can do, and VA, like I said, their minimum is just lower than it's really ever been that I've seen. So hopefully that helps. Just a little short video here today. Have a great weekend, and I will talk to you soon. Bye bye.